This video is brought to you by my friends over at Pianote. Check out the link in the description and get a 30-day free trial at Pianote today. There. So this video is brought to you by my friends over at Piano, and I want to use this opportunity to show you some of that harmony in that track and show you how learning the piano helped me to get better at putting chords in my transcriptions, hearing chords in a lot more detail, and also just expanding my musical vocabulary. It may come as a surprise to you, but Mateus Asato doesn't actually record, or at least I'm certain he doesn't, record his guitar parts to a backing track. He records those free-time guitar parts and then adds layers in post. So a wonderful way of doing that here on the piano would be to play some rich chords using a pad sound. So I've set up a nice pad sound. So now when I play an F chord, it's got this lovely rich sound to it. So yeah, I'm just thinking this as an F add 9. Playing like an F power chord in my left hand, adding the 9th, 3rd and 5th. And then he goes to like this kind of G add 4, G minor add 4. Which is a really nice sound. Then the next chord, I'm hearing it very much as being an F chord with the A in the bass, which is a nice sound. Going to a B flat, and then of course resolving up to a C, and then back to RF. Now, using piano as a way to help me get used to playing chords on the piano, help me get used to having control of both my hands, was just incredibly helpful. And there's tons of course up on Piano that's going to help you.
Hey guys, okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to teach you such a cool trick for adding in transition chords. And there's a couple inversions I could use. So it'll sound like this. C, here's my little dominant 7, pass to A minor, F. Remember, I'm going to use that D7 travel me on over
get to grips with that. So do check out the link in the description and get yourself 30 days absolutely free. And of course, it helps the channel. And once again, a huge thank you to Piano for helping me out, helping the channel out. You've really, these beautiful sounds, they've just become a big part of my development. So click the link in the description and start your journey today.